Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited because I actually went to Target today and I decided that I'm gonna add some ribbon to my Christmas tree. I felt like my Christmas tree needed like something else. So I bought some ribbon. Let me show you guys. So I bought this at Target. This is 100 feet. And this one was $10, and then I bought these little ones that were $5. These are 21 feet. So this is the first time that I attempt to do this, so hopefully it turns out well. So I bought this silver and then white with some silver just because my Christmas tree does have some white and then obviously like some silver on it, like these stars. So super excited because hopefully it looks really nice. I just felt like at night when I turn it on it looks really nice, but then throughout the day it looks a little bit dead. So that's why I decided that we're gonna add some ribbon. And I was watching videos on TikTok, so hopefully it turns out as beautiful as those trees, because I feel like mine needs a little bit of more added to it, if that makes sense. So how's it looking, guys? I think it's looking pretty beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna put my So like this one, just have to fix them. They have to be more like fluffy like this, right? Look how pretty. Right, guys? Do you guys like it? Because I really love my tree right now. Okay, I have this other roll. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I'm going to put this one on this side right here. And then since I have much more of the silver, I'm just going to add it in different areas. So let's see how it turns out. Cute. Oh my god, I didn't think my tree was gonna look this beautiful. I'm just, because I don't want it to be like so dead here, I think I'm gonna add more ribbon, but let's just see. It's looking really nice. I'm just gonna fix all the this ornaments that fell because they kind of got misplaced. So yeah, let's see. This is my final tree. My topper kind of fell. I'm gonna wait for Hera to get home and fix that because it's super high up. But look how precious my tree is. I really recommend you guys adding some ribbon. It just adds more to your tree, makes it look more full, more alive. I don't see a lot of green anymore, and it just looks so much better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so this is my beautiful Christmas tree. I'm so happy that I added ribbon to my Christmas tree because I feel like it was a little dead and it needed a little bit more to it. So excited that I'm so happy and glad that I even thought about adding this. I wasn't too sure about adding ribbon. Let me share with you guys who was my like huge inspiration, because I found her Instagram and she's like the Christmas queen. So if you guys still have to decorate your Christmas tree or your home, she is definitely someone you need to follow on Instagram. So her name's Gina Crawford. This is her Instagram. And I'm not kidding when I say she has so much Christmas inspo. And honestly, it's just so beautiful. Again, this is my first year that I do this to my Christmas tree. It's not perfect, but for me, it's honestly an achievement because it was a little bit hard to do. But yeah, follow her if you need some Christmas inspiration. Oh, wait, where is she? Follow her if you need some Christmas inspiration. Let me show you guys. So she just posted a video of how she adds that ribbon. The ribbon that I bought, it's a little bit smaller. and it was a little hard. However, I do find it easier if it's the type of ribbon that has like the wiring, because it just bends easier. If that makes sense. It creates like a easier loop. And this one, this fabric one doesn't really create like a perfect loop, but it's still nice. But yeah, these are the colors I went with, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So again, I'm so happy that I added this ribbon because it makes it look more like Christmas vibes, in my opinion. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. It is much appreciated when you guys subscribe. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.